Hi, I've been using Nurture Growth for a couple of years now. I'm a resident in Etobicoke for my gardening and trees, and it helps the trees in the garden flourish. It's easy to use. I just add a few drops in a watering pail and add some water and pour it on the garden or around the roots of the tree. It's easy to use, and the trees just flourish. I noticed that the leaves are greener. I noticed that the blossoms are more prominent on the flowers. The evergreens, my locust tree, my honey locust tree, my sugar maple tree, my pyramid cedar trees, they're all doing really well with Nurture Growth. I would recommend Nurture Growth to anyone for its efficacy and for its easy to use, practical application.